Hey! Oja! Oja! Hey! Oja! Hey! Oja! Nnabiko, you're welcome.
Thank you, my president.
Good to see you, man.
Thank you.
It's been a crazy year for everybody.
Madness.
And,
Madness. Madness. But thank God we are here. We are here. I mean, we still the rock arm anyhow. Thank God. I'm a big fan of beer parlor discussion. Very, very, very big fan.
Thank God. Thank God. I'm going to Chawande. As in Chawande and then I live at here stage. So we love you so much and we appreciate your being around here with us. You know. So I bought you know.
Of course.
I ain't trying to be my bad, you know. I want to first I don't know. I be about I want to be one cricket BP for I be about a pussy and I, you know, no beer, you know. That's what we do.
Of course.
A one man and kitty ever and I cover jazz too much.
Original jazz.
But I keep them on the 70, they keep me for a leash, you know. So Chidimma, how is the year been so far, my dear?
As we all know, the year has been crazy. The year has been up and down. People have been struggling. Businesses are shut down. Nothing is happening, you know. But thank God for His mercies. We're still there here, you know.
I never so on any regrets you were but and any Thanksgiving you want for the year because of what we have not called it bad, you know.
Of course. Regrets, yes. I mean, events are being shut down. You know,
no man.
So we can't perform like we used to, you know. So that's a regret, you know. But then at the same time, I still thank God, you know, because that's where my help comes from.
Yes,
you know.
Yes, my dear. I feel you.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I see Swibo. You go back on so, but open all better. It's okay. Because when you were in as soon as you know, I brought you an understanding. So now on our side, it's equally good, you know.
Okay, uno get met to my bell and kitty. A bell and kitty. Magana agamasu oimbo. You know? Yeah, belly, of course.
You don't need to belly, you know. Got the buffer when your father one never wine, you know. I want for them. Oh, yeah, best the cable.
Imo, where?
Me told no, yeah. Oh, good. Oh, nice.
I'm on your way. So if we have any aware person here, just say hi.
No, it's your band. I know what, like 70%. Oh, I want to one button. I have to go 30 and after. How do you do about?
Dalu. Yeah.
So you check within your status as a star on the limelight. Can do your strongest part? Can do where your life turn around? Like from being I work with NML to nezikwa ebe nnọzio nezikwa ihe na-emezi in my life. You hear me? Getting that transition, that moment of from ebe na o change go that moment.
Go after KDK. Immediately after KDK. Yeah.
Okay.
Because KDK took me straight to Africa.
Yeah. Hey! Hey!
Afro dollar for the first time. You know? I was like, really?
From KDK?
Yeah. So that was the turning point. That was the turning point for me. I was like, wow, like going from little thousands of naira, you know, straight to dollars. I was like, okay, yes, this is it. So we just come. Now we don't come.
Hey, straight to dollars immediately. But it was it overnight? Was it like quack?
Oh, definitely not.
You've been working?
No, not overnight. Which was why I was surprised when it happened. It wasn't overnight. I've worked. There had been work, you know, over time before that happened. Yeah. So people shouldn't think, oh, it just happened. I mean, everything takes time, you know. Whatever manifests has been a result of what you've been doing, you know, behind. That's why we always say people should work hard. So we're not saying just work hard because when your blessing starts to manifest, it doesn't seem like, you know, it happened overnight. Yeah.
Yeah, and there were failures when you were working. There were failures.
Of course, the road wasn't straight. You know, it wasn't straight. There's been ups and downs, you know, everywhere, from every corner, even in the industry, there's been ups and downs. Yeah, but I mean, all of that eventually becomes lessons, you know, for me. Yeah.
Yeah. I made a mistake, and I move ahead. Megidia, Kenny, Kawa. Chidimma.
Yeah.
Get a car, continue tomorrow. Eh? Nando can be to a China bed, and never. Well, I feel my next money of na warning. Who never have any other Bible? Never carriage the moon each day. Eh? People getting a woman for this size. I'm we can just stand to phone one man just lose it. But Abania Abania.
No can be no God and I make it.
Hey, I know what can I fan can help. Okay. Let it not be like a batch president do can be a batch up. When I base bunker. Kaiti fana de dinkata. No can be in a wool. They will go on a high placement on their list. So when I do, can you defend can you remove as a neighbor after can you defend a like so that oh yes. Hey, mom, that's why your man. Oh, because mom, that's why as far as you do the manual.
Okay, I Agamenya Ndo came here expo.
Okay, expo.
Agamenya expo.
Okay, go ahead. Expo is very honest.
Yes, it's very good.
You can do it.
First of all, Ima, because of my height, you know, all glory to God, no regrets, you know.
He went on a list. I went on a list. On a list. It's not about the.
First of all, please, he can wear some height.
Okay. He got. Okay.
I mama because he can wear some height.
Okay. You get up that. Okay. Yes.
That's first.
Okay, one.
That's
jumping now.
Because of our future kids, you know.
It's acceptable. If I'm going to pick you, I need the head now. So that on the criteria.
Of course.
1, 2.
I mean, every other thing. It has definitely for me. It has to be no. That's not a problem. Whether light skin or dark skin is not a problem. Yeah, they must love God anyway. Like, you know, have some.
You must love God.
Yeah, have some fear for God or fear of God. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. My name and fear of God.
Oh my God!
But I take it.
I mean, it went points. Always you. But I mean,
hey, so you must go. You got to for enough in between. You know. So
I mean, on a more serious note, let's be serious. On a more serious note, I mean, we need to. First of all, I just need to have like a connection with you. You know, first of all, once we have a connection and we can relate, you know, every other thing can come after. You know, once you get talking, definitely every other thing doesn't matter. Whether height, whether money.
Height will go number one.
Whether money,
you must have height.
You know, I don't really care for all of that. You know,
Material.
You don't have to be a billionaire. You know, just love me. Just love me. You know, just cherish me.
Hey,
that's enough for me. You know, no, I don't need a billionaire. I mean, if it happens, if he gets to be a billionaire, it's okay, but it's not a criteria.
If I do to and assume just love me, cherish me, hey, just love and cherish.
We go because that way you would do anything for me, you know, and that's okay. Yeah.
I'm available. I can't be aware why you. I don't know where you get the available for. Calm down. You don't just start being available because they know just love me and care. My day make you very love me and care. About is a commitment.
Yeah. I mean, for you, you have to be committed. You have to.
It's a commitment. Even I love me, care me. They just love me, care me. Even just love me, care me, love me, care me. How on Aqua Mpodo, you got it, You got no potato. You did. You got to be there. Hey, you gotta be there.
Oh my God. But guys, please, because I said love me or you don't have to have all the money in the world, doesn't mean.
Yeah. But it still doesn't mean that it's an easy thing, no.
Of course not. Let's be careful. Let's know what we are doing.
Yeah. Let's be guided. I have you feel not just either and I love me, care me. Just say no. You got there. You gotta be there. Yeah, do what you gotta do. You gotta go. So it's you know. So, but it's everything you said is very nice. It's understandable. Yeah, and I know a lot of them. Oh yeah, I got now. You go. Oh, you open and I get and I calculate.
Yes.
I know more. Not the single. Not the single. On a choma is but on a choma is but it's not a choma. It's not because not.
Very much single. Very, very much single. Yes, so.
Nke bụ ezigbo single. Unu wee na-edetu hey, ndị I love you mama aka nkụ. Ewetebego ma ring, nwe ndị ji ring bịa. Were
nwayọ biko.
So mana ọ bụrụ na ọnwụkwa ajụjụ ịfụ fa na-ajụ, you can choose to answer.
Okay. I mean, 2020 bukwa eye opener, you know. 2020 has shown a lot of people that, I mean, things can change, you know, in split seconds. So you have to be ready at every point in time. You know, 2020 has showed us that nothing is sure, nothing is certain. You know, so you always have to have a backup. You know, even with relationships, you know, 2020 has showed a lot. You can see two people living together, you know, and I mean, I was having this conversation with Flavor one time, and where he was talking about food, you know, and two people live in the house, and your wife or your woman can't, you know, or doesn't cook or wasn't cooking, you know, and then the whole lockdown happened, and then you guys start to, you know, order food, you know, from here and you know,
broccoli. Where you want
and then wahala don't start, you know. So nothing is for sure. So going into 2020, we are going with a different mindset.
Yep.
I'm going with a different mindset. You know,
yes.
Living my life differently. You know,
yes.
having more backups, you know, than I used to have. You know, because
options.
Yeah, options, because anything can happen at any time. And people should get ready for 2021. I mean, the way it's looking, it's not going to be easy. You know, so not at all.
They never told us so.
They never told us so.
No, they never.
I'm offering everywhere. What's going on?
My dear, people are presenting you with rings. You will still see more. He's a precious jewel, and he's single and just searching. Wow. From now till about something like January ending, the effect will not wear off on some working peace. They will feel they have a chance. Yeah, that's it.
And I'm asking questions about Ijele all over the place. Okay, that's
I know.
That's good. That's good. Of course. I think by now people should have been used to that. You know.
Okay.
Chidimma and Ijele, like, should be used to that by now. He's first of all, he's my colleague. You know.
Okay.
Second is my friend, like my very, very good friend. You know, friends like him are very hard to come by. You know, so I mean, I'm using this opportunity to appreciate him. You know, in case he's watching. In case he's watching, you know, he's been a good friend. Yeah.
Yeah. I can testify.
You know now. You know
now. I've been friend for almost like 20 years now.
Wow.
Yeah, that guy I don't know, a long time has been, and even good friends till tomorrow.
That's good. That's good. Yeah.
It's okay.
So we're getting ready. We're getting ready for 2021. You know. I mean, I would like to chip in a little advice. You know, for 2021. As you're going in, please go with your full head, full heart, full mind, full body. You know, be open to anything. Opportunities can come, you know, from anywhere.
You know, saying that the thing will happen. Bring beer Parlour now.
You see,
you see, lock people down.
That's true.
That's how people say you wear bateba. I'm not aware. It's that. They stuck around here, me and them just drinking beer every weekend.
Yeah.
What can we do?
That's true.
I can't just
be ready for anything. Yeah, anything. Yeah. I mean, this is the time to be open to change. You know, because this COVID don't shape person. You know, COVID don't tell us.
But you're gonna confirm. I'm not confirm. Just to feel like I'm ready for 2021. Anything can happen.
Anything.
So in a man, just anything can happen now.
Yeah.
Even the ways of making money, it's not even the usual way again.
Of course.
Everything changed.
Everything.
The formula is better we go before. Man can't make you scattered. So this next year, you gotta be wise enough.
Yeah, you have to be wise and take advantage of opportunities, you know.
So next year you get wise some Germans.
Of course. Definitely. Yeah. Trust me on that. Yeah.
But my people are happy. They are happy. At least I want me else. I bought them. They are okay for a year. This is the biggest. But I think has something, somebody that can, because they've been there for me since this year. They've been there.
They've been. I mean, I read the comments when you are with the boys. I read the comments, and I just keep laughing and laughing. It's always fun. So when you told me, I was really happy, to join you. You're doing a very, very, very good job. Trust me. I mean, I didn't see you doing this like a year ago.
I ain't done that. For your information, on the government on your only carry that last one. That went viral on African countries. Very nice jam, man. Mm-hmm. That was a very nice jam. Yeah. So years ago, things happen. Things change.
Of course.
Yeah, now as in page, this is what I'm controlling now.
Very good. I get you. And to your listeners, to your watchers, guys, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We love you so much, and thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for your grace like this very usher guy into the new year.
Yes.
We love you so much.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah, bye.
Let me sing something. So if I say they want to hear my voice, let me sing something. Let me think.
Beautiful. Oh yes.
Chidimma, onye kere ụwa, ị mara mma n'eziokwu.
Chai. We love you so much, my dear. We love you so much. All right.